Hello everyone! In this video I will tell you shortly about this beautiful classics BMW 5 Series. It's one of the first models. It's 1987 or 1988. It's from United States. It is in very good condition, and this car came in my workshop some time ago. There was some problems with the engine. There was a lot of job already done. There was these rubber boots changed, and the fuel pressure regulator was changed, and the spark plugs. Really a lot of job. But the car still was not working good. Then the car arrived to me because owner was asking, can you please help me with this car, find the real problem. So when the car arrived, one of the first jobs were to check is there correct fuel pressure. We discovered that fuel pressure regulator has been changed, but there was not correct fuel pressure. So I ordered original one. It's made by Bosch, but it can be bought now only at the BMW dealer. We checked the fuel pressure again, and it was perfect. It was 3.0 bars, and with disconnected vacuum it was 3.5 bars, so it was working like perfect. The next thing was to check the valve clearance. The owner of this car told that everything should be fine. The previous guys adjusted valve clearance. I told him, sorry, this is the thing I need to check by myself. I didn't make a mistake. When I took off, I measured the gap between rocker and the valve, and the gaps were 0.1 millimeter at the intake and 0.15 millimeters at the exhaust. It was totally incorrect because here should be 0.3 on the intake and 0.3 at the exhaust. I found one mistake. I adjusted valves and the car was working a little bit better. The next thing, I needed to check mass airflow meter. I saw that it has been already repaired, so I found in my workshop another one working. We installed it. It started to work even better. Then we saw that there is no information from the oxygen sensor. I took out the old oxygen sensor. It was still original one, so it's possible that it was still from 1988 or 1989. We installed new oxygen sensor, and this car started to work almost perfectly. I recommended to the owner, we need to install good one or new mass airflow meter and the spark plugs. And in the previous jobs also were the spark plugs changed, but I took one spark plug out and it was dirty. So I decided also we will install new spark plugs, but this time they will be no aftermarket. This time we will use original ones from the BMW. Can you imagine what part is here inside this box that is necessary for this car? Now the job is done. Spark plugs are changed. Also the new airflow meter is installed. As you heard, engine is working very good. Of course, it will need some time to make adaptations. Even this engine is making fuel trim adaptations. And basically there is only one job left. I need to install new engine mounts. Even now, after more than 30 years, engine mounts can be ordered original from BMW. Thank you for watching. Bye.